guys, it's Dark Mixture here, coming to you with another video. So today I'm gonna do a wig install. I'm gonna make the wig glueless, so stay tuned, stay in, and just watch how I slay my wig. Period. So I'm gonna go straight in with this elastic band that I pre-measured to my head. Make sure it's tight but not too tight on your head to make sure your wig stays down. This wig already comes with 3 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and basically I'm gonna sew the elastic band on like the side of the closure, that, if you understand what I'm saying, like right there. I'm gonna sew it right there across. I'm gonna use a needle and thread. Make sure it's non-nylon thread and a hook needle, and basically sew it down. Just sew it down real quick and make sure your knots are tight but not too tight where it rips your frontal, guys. Do not, I repeat, do not take a screenshot of this scene, guys. Don't. So now I'm going to go straight in with the frontal. I'm going to put it on. It looks a mess right now, but what I like to do, to be honest, is blow dry my frontal. I like to use a blow dry and just blow through it real quick to make it straight so that I don't really have to put too much heat on it while I'm straightening it with the blow dryer. So just take this quick portable blow dryer and just, blow through my hair real quick. Never have to do too much. Now I'm going to go straight in with my Tresemme Heat Protector Spray. And I like to spray this on my hair because, low-key, these hairs is not yours. So too much heat will kill it. So protect it a little bit, guys. I'm going to go straight in with my flat iron. I like to put it on 415 heat and basically just part my hair real quick and, straighten. And normally I will straighten my hair on my wig head, but due to the video, I wanted to do it on camera. It's going to be a quick skip through, but you guys are going to see. I'm just going to straighten it real quick. Use a comb and the flat iron. Okay, ladies, this is very fundamental. When it comes to the frontal, you want to make sure you flat iron it really touch the roots, because you don't want your frontal to be bumpy at all. Yes, I'm going to use a hot comb later, but to avoid putting so much heat, just make sure you go on the roots that one try. You see, because I blow dried it, I don't really have to go through the hair a lot because it's already straight, but touch the roots while you're flat ironing the frontal, guys. So this is a little trick I like to do while I'm midway straightening the frontal. I like to part it, whichever part I wanted to do, and basically part it so I know how much pressure to put on one side and not the other, so I don't have to do it later. Like I said earlier, you see, never have to do too much. Just make sure you straighten your hair real nice and make sure you touch the roots. I don't know how much I need to stress this to you guys. Now I'm going to go straight in my argan just a little bit, just to give my hair some shine and moisture. I'm going to use my Cream of Nature mousse and basically put that on my edges and start plucking. Normally I would use water, but due to the video and since I have makeup on, I don't want, it to drip on my makeup. I'm going to use this mousse, but this mousse is really watery. So you guys are going to see me use a lot of mousse during this video, but trust me, it has no weight to it. It really comes off it's really BS. mid plucking, I like to sometimes put the mousse on the hair and just style the hair while I'm going, just so I can get the little flyaways away, because I don't want to like pluck the wrong hair, or there's too much hair on my face and I just don't like, it's just so much going on. So I like to move all the hair out of my face and out of my way. As you can see, I'm still plucking. Don't go too heavy with the plucking, but don't go too little. Now I'm going to take the scissors and just cut the lace into 3. I didn't feel like I plucked enough, so I'm just still going in with the tweezer and just plucking a little bit more on the frontal. Now I'm going to just cut the frontal into 3 pieces and just cut zigzag. And when I say zigzag, you're going to see in the next scene that like you have to make your hands do that motion and cut like zigzag, because nobody hairline is straight. So as you can see what my hand is doing, just do that basically. As you can see, it's giving scalp. I still need a pluck, but yeah, basically, you see, it looks like my hairline, guys. As before, I'm going to go in with the tweezer again and pluck a little bit more, because this frontal is really thick, guys. Now I'm going to part some of the baby hair out and just pluck above that again. You can never pluck enough sometimes, guys. I'm going to go back in with the scissors and start cutting the baby hair a little bit. I'm only doing the front because, to be honest, I won't be showing my flaps at all. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead in with the mousse again and do my edges. I'm not really going to show how I do my edges in the video because it took a long time. But, yeah, I just did my edges. And you just do your edges to comfort your face. I'm pretty much done now. So I'm just going with the scarf that I got from AliExpress and tie my edges down. And while it's tied down, I'm going to go with my hot comb and just run through my hair. This hot comb was really good. I got it from Amazon for like $13 basic. I'm going to put it on 20 heat and put some mousse on my hair and just comb through my hair. This mousse is really light, so don't worry about how much I've been using throughout the video, guys. I normally don't do this, but because this frontal is so thick, I'm going to go in with some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa and darken my part because this frontal really has a lot of hair, and I don't like plucking my frontals to give a part because that defeats the whole purpose of it being a frontal. So just to give it more of a oomph factor, I'm going to just put a little concealer like you see, make it look more parted or whatever, but I normally do not do this. It's just this frontal was doing a lot, guys, a lot. Now that my hair is all straight and finesse, I'm gonna just take the scarf off. Make sure you take it off the direction that your edges is going, and I'm really done. So yeah, I hope you guys really like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is an easy go-to, throw on wig as a college student. Don't have to do too much. Yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you learned a lot, and see you later. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.